In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play multiplayer in PSP Dragon Ball Z Shin Budokai. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up a 2-player session on Dragon Ball Z Shin Budokai for the PlayStation Portable. So, I'm gonna teach you how to do this if you are playing using an emulator, namely PPSSPP, but I'm also gonna be talking about how to do it on the console itself. So first, I assume most people will be doing it through an emulator. So I'm going to be talking about this first. If you want to do this on an actual console, then simply skip ahead. So if you are using PPSSPP, you have to go over into the settings of the emulator, choose the networking category, and in here, copy these exact settings. The most important thing is going to be ad hoc servers. We'll come back to this later, but just copy everything to be sure. So UPnP disabled, chat, it doesn't really matter, but I recommend leaving it on disabled. And another important setting is this: make sure that you set port offset to around 5000. Now, with all of this done, the most important thing, like I said, is ad hoc server. Every time that you host a server or you go to the network options of a PSP game and you host, there will be an IP displayed here. And as long as you and whoever else is going to play has the same IP on this option here, this input, then you will be matched up together. So it's important to copy the exact same IP here. So inside of Dragon Ball Z, go over to Network Battle. Make sure that under the options, Accept Battle is enabled. And like I said before, input the ad hoc server address. Make sure that it is the same for you and whoever else is going to be playing. And as long as you have the same IP and you choose OK, like I said, you can go to Network Battle. And if you are doing this through the actual console, it's as simple as going over to Network Battle, and your friend on their own PSP will do the exact same thing. And as long as you are in close proximity of each other, you will be able to see your friend here. So your friend is going to appear on the list of available players. You will see their power level, the status, and if you choose them, a battle request will be sent, and once they accept, both of you will be matched against each other. So it is simple as long as you use the same ad hoc server address. So before I end this video, if it helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us bring you the highest quality solutions to your problems. So I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.